guys, welcome to my channel. I'm actually going to do a declutter with me. So just to give you a little bit around my life, of course, I'm just now starting my YouTube channel. Thanks again. If you like what I've put out, please make sure you like, subscribe, and also comment. Tell me what you want to see. I'm always going to definitely be looking for ideas. My channel, Ronnie the Plus Model, started this channel a long time ago, never did anything with it, nothing at all. So I'm like, hey, I need to get on it. Anyways, so I'm going to do a declutter. So kind of let me take you with me. I guess what I've been trying to do is go through each part of my house. I've done a lot already. I still got a couple of places that I need to do, but let me just show you what this looks like. So I bought my house when I was 25. So I've been here almost 10 years. I know. And I have like a bunch of junk. And I was just like, I was watching, I don't know how many of you guys watch Netflix or whatever, but I was watching Netflix with the Marie Kondo style of tidying, and then I just became obsessive. So I'm like, I've done so much stuff that I really kind of bought into the fact, like, it makes it easier for me to get dressed. I just feel better in the morning. You know, I like to get up, open the blinds, look at the light as it comes in my room. You know, I just feel so much awake and alive when my closet, especially my clothes, because that's what I love, is organized. So if you guys can relate, you know, let me know your comments down if you've watched the Marie Kondo and the tidying method and just kind of fell in love. So anyways, let's get into the meat of this video. So I'm going to take you with me. Yeah, so I am in my room. That's a closet. And just to show you, like, the stuff that I have to do. So this is a part of what I have not done. Yeah, that I haven't done the back, but I did try to do this, and I'm going to warn you guys, please don't say anything because it failed, and I am going to be moving, so we're going to actually take all of this down and fix the wall, but I'll show you my shoe wall that has fell. Okay, it fell, right? I know it fell. Okay, right. But that's what it is, so I don't really care. But what I'm going to be decluttering today is my room. That's a closet. I have basically a bunch of junk. It's all of my, like, travel little bags, extra comforters and towels. And actually in my office I have another thing that is full of towels, so I really don't need like a lot of this. So I'm gonna be packing it up, giving it to Goodwill. I don't know what's in that box, but this is it. Yeah, I know, so bad, but the after will be epic. Get in here. What is this stuff? It is not folded. Pink. I don't want no more pink bags. All right, so if you want to see this transformation, stay with me. Keep watching.